Welcome. This video is part of a series of short informational videos on estate and incapacity planning, probate, and the role of an executor. In this video, I want to talk about wills. Here's what we know. About 50% of adults do not have a will. So why should you have a will, regardless of age? If you do not have a will, government legislation determines how your estate is distributed. In many instances, this is not how you would like to see your assets distributed. Perhaps one of the worst examples is for families with children. If one spouse dies without a will, the legislation provides that a portion of the estate is shared with the children. And if those children are minors, the surviving spouse must now deal with the office of public guardian and trustee. Now, I know there are a lot of nice people who work there, but why would anyone want to put their spouse in such a position? Without a will, your family will need to get a court order appointing an administrator to distribute the estate based on the legislation. So not only will this result in your estate not necessarily being distributed as you would have wished, there are additional expenses and your family would likely need to hire a lawyer. You may also want to structure your will and estate plan to reduce the amount of tax payable on your death. And in most wills where there are minor children beneficiaries, you normally want to set up a trust so the children are not getting their inheritance in a lump sum at 19. That is what would happen without a will. Normally you want to appoint a trustee to manage the funds until your children are older than 19. We often see trusts for children with release dates at 25 and 30. Similarly, if you want part of your estate to go to charity, the lack of a will eliminates this option. And of great concern, if you have a disabled child receiving government benefits, the lack of a trust provision in a will may eliminate ongoing government benefits. At the end of the day, why put your family through the stress of an intestacy? This results in a legislated distribution with additional costs as they try and cope with the loss of a loved one. So do yourself and your family a favor. Get your will done sooner than later, as later may be too late. And if you need some assistance, please call us. Thanks very much.